Alright folks, in this video we are going to answer one of the most commonly asked questions, and that is, should you start your PPC ads from day one? So keep watching. Alright folks, this is your friend Rish from Republic of Sellers, and I own a 6-figure Amazon FBA brand which I just started less than 17 months ago, and I've already crossed over 250k in revenue just in 2018. Alright, so if you want to learn more about that, you can check out my other videos, and I've also just released a PPC course video which is absolutely free. If you want that, I have put a link down below in the comments. Just send me a message and say I want PPC, and I will send you the link for that video absolutely for free. You're not paying a dime. Alright, so let's get in the video. So folks, in this video we're going to answer the question and the reasoning behind why should you be starting your PPC ads from day one. Well, the short answer to that question is absolutely heck yes. You need to start your PPC ads from day one. Now, before you leave the video, let me give you the reasoning behind it, because in a business like Amazon FBA or even in other businesses, you need to always know why do you do something that you want to do, right? So if somebody tells you that, hey, you should start your PPC ads from day one, don't just go ahead and start it. Actually, just first figure out why is it important for you to start your PPC ads. If that person cannot answer you, reach out to somebody else and get that answer for yourself first, because you need to convince yourself first and justify yourself first before you justify anybody else. All right, you need to know why are you doing something when you're doing something. All right, so let's cut the chase and let's get into the reasoning part of the video. All right, so the number one reason why should you be starting your PPC ads from day one is indexing. All right, so when you start your PPC ads for your Amazon FBA product, let's say you were selling a garlic press, all right, and let's say a customer searches for stainless steel garlic press, and your product pops up in front of the customer because you were running an ad for your product. All right, and what happens now is that if a customer buys that product through that ad because they searched with the keyword stainless steel garlic press, Amazon is going to map that keyword to your product. All right, Amazon is going to map stainless steel garlic press, that keyword, to your garlic press, whatever product you have, whatever ASIN you have listed on Amazon. So what's going to happen next? Well, that means your product is now getting indexed and ranked for that keyword, and eventually with time you will start getting organic sales for that particular product under that keyword. That means that wouldn't have happened if you were not running your PPC ads, and that is why it is absolutely critical and crucial that you start your PPC ads as soon as possible, because that will help you get indexed with a lot of these keywords and eventually get you a lot of organic sales. The second reason why you should start your PPC ads from day one is to increase your profits. All right, now that might sound a little counterintuitive because you are actually spending a lot of money in your ads, and then I'm telling you that, hey, you're going to increase your profit. Now let me explain how is that going to happen. Well, the sooner you start PPC ads, the sooner you start showing your product to a bunch of customers for a lot of keywords, the sooner you will figure out which keywords are not working for you. All right, so if you figure out which keywords are not working for you, which means if you figure out the keywords which are spending a lot of money but not getting you any sales, what you can do next is identify those keywords and add them into your negative keyword section in your PPC campaigns. That is going to help you optimize your PPC budgets, and therefore you will lose a lot less money as you proceed with your PPC campaigns and eventually make a lot more profit. Now folks, those were the two reasons why should you be starting your PPC ads from day one. If you understand, or if you agree with the reasoning, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be answering a lot more questions related to FAQ as I mentioned in my PPC course right here. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, and if you have any more PPC questions, answer them down below and I will be happy to respond back to you with time. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about PPC, check out the free course that I just created, or other videos about PPC FAQ in the playlists on my right or left. Alright, check it out. Until next time.